Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my guys. Utang. Utang ina nyo guys. Welcome mga putang ina. Hello mga ngaodog electrode.
Let's have the RCP ST counselors.
Mo ni pinakauna sa linya. Adi kani sunod. Ini. Ini Beriso. Mesinnya ako. Dia. Present karon no. Present karon.
Let's welcome the staff of Parvo Test DC. Oscar. Beautiful Hands Nature Farm. And the Investor Rice Farm.
Tanggol. LGBTQ. Yay! Woo! Yay!
Tiga-tiga iman isukod. Tiga-tiga nakatiran ng kami. Tiga-tiga na para hindi na makasama.
Si mama kong partner, si Zero.
Ayaw sa lagi tagaigap ninyo. Tagaigap ba?
Oh. Na ma'am. Mereka Keparoso Jose Celebrado. Biasa yang mulai. Soy goyo. Ngayon ni live mentawag ka sa GC. Kuanog ma. Atin biyog ma. Bacho. Pwede po. Ay, okay kuan ba? Okay Lord. Live ta na ba live?
Okay, ang iyong magpaso, hindi na ko rin mula hos dere kay kung mula hos pa ang tuyok, parang madugay na, it will take time. So, asa mo dapat nga linya, shortcut na lang direksyon. Pero ang shortcut, dapat with you ha, hinlo kaya ko tanaw. Okay, so pagkahumaan sa inyong entrance, balik ko na ito ha. So ang inyong entrance sa itong sa lobby area, pag-sud ninyo, dili na mo mulahos diri sa front na mutuyok pa sa inyong gipraktisan. So kung asa mo dapit nga linya, diha na mo drop, niya sud na lang mo. Pero hinlo gihapon na pagkalakaw, okay? Again, dili na mulahos ha, mutuyok pa. Kay it will take time, kunya murag hugaw po tanaw, nga dapat magtuyok sa tubangan. So, diretsyo na lang siya para limpyo lang. Okay? Then, after Ana, we will have the invocation, national anthem, marang naghihapon mo, and then Ormoc hymn. Make sure sa Ormoc hymn, mukanta gitanan. Mawota nila turning lito kilang na yung mga bakbak na dili mo open. Dapat yun, we have to sing the Ormoc City hymn. Okay? Okay lang. Okay. So, after sa Ormoc City hymn, play pa na sir, di na lang, link ko na lang. Ato pa i-play. Prayer na siya natin Ormoc hymn. Okay, assuming manang Ormoc hymn, link ko na tanan. Manang Ormoc hymn. Okay, so this time, let's have the welcome address of the SP Committee Chairman on Education and Manpower Development. Let's give a big hand for Honorable Attorney Nolito M. Kila. Make sure na pagsaka ni Attorney Kila, mupakpak kita tanan. Ha? Pakpak kita ni Attorney Kila. Again, balik ko na to. Again, for the welcome address, let's give a big hand for SP Committee Chairman on Education and Manpower Development, Honorable Attorney Nolito M. Kila. Yung anak yun ang pagpakpak ha para ang atong speaker ganahan. Okay? Dayon, this time, let's have the recognition of the distinguished guests. So ako i-acknowledge ang mga bisita, ang mga guests na we will have the TESDA Regional Director, TESDA Provincial Director, mga konsihal sa Dakbayan, we have also a staff sa TESDC, OSTAC, and so on and so forth. Then after ang pa-acknowledge, we will have the inspirational message, Congressman Richard I. Gomez, Mayor Lucy Torres Gomez, and then mga city councilors. Kinsay na ang city councilors muhatag na sila og inspirational message. So this time, human sa messages, let's have the ceremonial MOA signing. So we have LG Ormoc and Developing Up Solutions Corp. Okay, so we will have the ceremonial MOA signing with LG Ormoc, then naapon ang Developing Up Solutions Corporation. After Ana, we will have the presentation of graduates. I'd like to call Sir Alan Nobria NPA Center Administrator Ormoc Test DC. Let's give a big hand. So after, we will have Mary Jane as OASIS Trainer, Tempesto Rice Farm. Next, we have also Richie Clement B. Rama II, Trainer, Beautiful Hands Nature Farm. We have also Stephanie Dayan Chu, Center Administrator, Ostak. Then after sa presentation of the graduates, we will have the confirmation of graduates, no? So I'd like to call on stage Director Vivian E. Abueva, TESDA Provincial Director. So siya ang confirm sa graduates. After Anna, we will have the distribution of training certificates. Mabalik ko kayo kay i-rehearse na to ang presentation of graduates. Sige, before sa confirmation. So for the presentation of graduates, I'd like to call Sir Alan Nobria, NPA, Center Administrator, Ormoc Test DC.
Lang din butang si Sir Alan ko. So, may I present to you graduates in SMAO NC1 and NC2. Barok mo. Qualification na barok. Again, dungan. Okay, may I present to you graduates from SMAO NC1 and NC2. Driving NC2. Plumbing NC1 and NC2. And EIM NC2. Balik. Tanang snappy ba? Snappy. Sir, diri ka sir. Ikaw po yung diri. Kung si Ma'am Cho. No. Dungan na nito. Gusto na itong dungan tanan. Tanang snappy ba? Snappy. Again, may I present to you graduates from SMAO NC1 and NC2. Driving NC2. Plumbing NC1 and NC2. EIM NC2. Di muling ko na.
Okay, so this time I'd like to call Ma'am Stephanie Dayan Chu, Center Administrator, OSPAC.
So, present natin guys si Ma'am Twinkle. So, we'll present the Contact Center Services in C2.
Okay, so balog lang sa, kay tawag ko na ako si Director Vivian. Okay, so balog lang sa ano ha, after ninyo pagpabarog, balog lang gihapon mo, I'd like to call TESDA Provincial Director, Director Vivian Abueva for the confirmation of graduates.
For example, ako niya si Director, either na si PD or si RD. Depende lang na tomorrow kung sinadari. Mga naman na, by the virtue vested on me by the Director General of TESDA, I will now confirm you graduates of class 2025 2024. So, diya, pakpak mo. Kaya, and kung sa mo lingkod, dungan tayo ng lingkod. Lingkod. Again.
Okay, so again, we will have the presentation of the graduates. I'd like to call our Center Administrator of Ormoc Test DC. We have Alan O. Nobria, NPA.
Good morning, everyone. Let me present to you the graduates of SMAO NC1 and NC2, Driving NC2, Plumbing NC1 and NC2, and EIM NC2.
I'd like to call our Center Administrator of OSTOC. We have Stephanie Dayan Yu Chu.
Please, good morning. I'll present to you the Contact Center Services graduates.
And for the confirmation of graduates, we have TESDA Provincial Director, Director Vivian E. Abueva.
Okay, by the power vested on me, by the Director General of TESDA, I will confirm you graduates of 2024. Congratulations. Congratulations, Kari. Pagkat mo ako. Lincoln. Balik Lincoln.
Okay, so this time let's have the distribution of training certificates. We will start with Contact Center Servicing NC2 from November 4 to December 9, 2024. Sakto ba kung yun ang tawag? Contact Center Servicing NC2? Contact Center Services NC2.
Saka mo dire. Dire na sir. Dire na. Sige, dire. Di magtugat. Ay sa pagdindog lang talaga. Pagka
Again, we will have the distribution of training certificates for Contact Center Services NC2. And sir, tagaan ako sa mo sa name sa mga barong galit. Attorney Nolito Kilang, Director. Okay, so we will have Contact Center Services NC2. Balik ko na to ha, kada grupo, mo-standby lang kali sa ubos sa, kaya mo balik pa man utan for group pictorials, naray mo assess sa kilid. Pag human yung dawat nila, standby lang sa ubos. Okay, we have Abamit Angie, Alba Alan, magbasa nila kung mga pangalan. Andarin Chenny J. Jiba na lang magbasa nila.
Ay, patistingig dawat certificate, patistingig dawat pa. Dawat na sa certificate.
Tanawa sa inyo ang pagdawat. Sige. Practice. Assuming lang ha. Abanid Angie. Sige, balik sa kali ate. Balik sa ate. Ibalik na ko. Sige. Again, we'll have the distribution of training certificates. I would like to start with Contact Center Services NC2. Abanit Angie. Alba Alan. Andarin Cheney Jane. Alfred Dennis. Mabasa na lang ko mga pangalan. Anoos Bain Eplido. Balato Alejandro III. Banyes Elaine. Batak Edgar Nin. Borja Arvin. Castillo Nancy. Kataya